Javier, Pampanga, Cabiao, Imus, and Tarlac Province ang sinasabing one of the front runners. How do you feel about that?
That makes me proud of myself, especially hindi talaga ako napipili sa mga hot picks ever since. Pero lately, napansin ko parang mas umaangat na ako compared before. So talagang nakaka-proud dahil sa mga performance ko din siguro yun.
Umaangat, that makes you grounded or that makes you proud of yourself?
That makes me proud of myself, but also at the same time, that makes me also grounded. You know, it makes me like fully secured of myself.
Is being in the hot pick makes you feel good or makes you feel overconfident? Because
I think it can be a problem when you get that into your head, when you always think about yourself and you don't think about the criticism, the constructive criticism of other people. I believe na kapag when you're in hot pick, you should perform well even after that hot pick. So yeah.
So ikaw, Calix, hindi ka rin nawawala sa hot picks and we only have 2 days left. What do you think will make you so truly special compare sa mga napakita mo sa past few days?
I think siguro yung ano ko po, yung pagiging confidence ko po. Kasi when it comes sa Coronation Night na po talaga, ibang-iba na po talaga po. At talagang focus na po talaga ako pagdating kasi ng Coronation Night. I think yun po talaga po. Ibang performance po yung bibigay sa Coronation Night. Kaya abangan niya rin po pala.
I am sorry to say it, but baka mabarang or what that, but they are telling na hindi ka mawawala sa top 5. Isn't that putting on your mind? Or also, what is that specific crown that you would like to get, if ever?
That comment about me, I just treat it as, you know, as a thing that keeps me going. You know, I won't treat it as something that will slow me down. So I'll rather keep grounded when I hear those comments. And the second question, I will always choose to be your man of the world, Philippines.
You're all nakakasalita and that's not problem. I just would like to ask a question. Ano ba problema ng gwapo? What is the problem of being a gwapo?
Well, I actually don't know. I mean, I personally have my own problems, but they're kind of personal, so I'm not gonna go into it.
So you take being guapo a personal problem?
Not really, but I don't know. I can tell.
No, being a guapo is not a problem for you.
Not a problem at all.
That's advantage for you, I think. To get more girls and to attract more?
Possibly, yeah. I mean, I'm just being honest, you know. I'm just being honest right here.
Yeah, I know that. I know. I got you. I hear you. Look, for you naman, what do you think is the problem of being a guapo?
I think there's nothing much of a problem with being guapo. I think it's more of an advantage. However, we are also being disrespected sometimes because we are guapo, and it seems like we're inviting some bad things to happen into us, but it's not the case at all. Yeah.
Yeah, people are criticizing that male pageant is not relevant at all. So why do you have to still continue? Bakit pa natin kailangang ipagpatuloy kung hindi naman palang relevant? And it's not important to have male pageant.
Well, for me, male pageant is still relevant because the proof that I'm standing in front of all of you tonight proves that. And men are capable of doing many things. And our skills, our advocacy is meant to be shouted aloud. So male pageantry will always be relevant in today's society.